UV.
You enter and use the password. This can be English or Korean or Chinese language. And then you open this. Yeah, you can change the language here by yourself.
iPhone.
So this is the file for the iPhone models. So all the files are included. And there is one important characteristic for this machine. So this is for you to check the red line. It's focus. So it is the same as the previous model for this one. The difference is that this one is using the new marking system. And also it has one most important characteristic. It is that you can connect this system with your mobile phone. So it is more easier for you to operate. Okay. Now it start to laser. Okay, we will show you the next function.
这个设置连接手机
It goes to the setting and then network.
设置一个
There will be
热点叫
it will need you to enter the number here.
然后密码
This is local IP. This IP you will use when you connect with your smartphone.
开设置
And then you operate with your smartphone. So this is the network you enter in the machine. So you enter the password you set, and then get connected. This is for the iPhone. If you use other more brand of the phone, you can do as your phone. This is a local IP. So you enter with the local IP here. So this will be this software, the image. Here you can enter with the photo. You can upload the photo from your smartphone directly, and you can edit the letters. Yeah, we can try. Try to use one. Be my daughter. Okay. And then you can start to engraving. Yeah, you can also upload with your logo or the text that you want to engraving. Okay. Yeah, so this software connect with a smartphone, it will make you more easier to control. Okay.
可以。新建。内。 123 OK，
We create a new folder.
OK， 然后 test，
and then we click test here. For example, you click anything here.
OK， 这个。
So this is what you enter.
然后我们可以打印。打印试一下，打印出来了，很清晰。
Yes. So now it is engraving.
好，如何用手机修改
And then you can use your phone to change the text.
文件名123，看，修改内容 TEXT。
Here you enter text, and then this is what you want to change. And then click change. Yeah, it will be changed. And then you can click this again.
这就变了。所以呢，用手机去操
Okay,
作
so
很
it
方
is
便。
very easy for you to connect with a smartphone.